Hola everyone, I'm Shelley Huang, the founder of Transformational Journeys. I have some exciting news to share with you. Are you the business owners who aim to develop growth in culturally diverse market? Are you the team managers who want to build effective cross-cultural collaboration? Are you the marketing managers who want to create success in a new market with cultural diversity? If your answer is a big fat yes, then come and join our Inclusion Challenge 2018 series, starting from 12 p.m. on July 25th in Parnell, Auckland. It is a capability development series that aims to provide you a roadmap to turn your goals into results. As your facilitator, I have helped over 300 New Zealand companies in cross-cultural partnership and strategy in the last 16 years. I have 8 years media careers in New Zealand, Singapore, China, and Israel. I have another 8 years careers working for New Zealand central government, local government, and corporate. So I'm going to take you on a journey to hear more authentic voice from the diverse communities through some benchmarking projects that has created growth, productivity, and innovation for New Zealand organizations. Workshop like that is normally $99 per person, but we decided to make it free for all July attendees to celebrate the kickoff of Inclusion Challenge series. Space are really limited, so if you want to secure your spot, click the link below or visit inclusionchallenges.co.nz. We're looking forward to seeing you on July 25th. Ka kite.